Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Today I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite skincare products, which is the Bioderma Micellar Water. This one is specially for sensitive skin. So a dermatologist I know recommended this micellar water as a first step to cleanse your skin and remove your makeup. And once I used it, I was hooked. It's easy to use. You just put it on your cotton pad and then you just gently wipe off your makeup. It's even great for lipsticks that are stubborn to come off. Voila! What I love about its formula is that it's not sticky, it's alcohol and oil free. So it just carefully cleanses the skin, removes my makeup quite easily, and it feels so soothing since it's alcohol free, leaving my skin still hydrated, plump, and glowy. So as I said, I really love this product, so you can add into your skincare routine. I love it. I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.